Mexico City, the bustling capital of Mexico, is a bustling metropolis offering a rich cultural experience and a combination of ancient history and modern urban development. Known for its enchanting landscapes, Mexico City is located in a valley and surrounded by majestic mountains. Using a drone to capture Mexico City from the air gives travelers a new perspective on this bustling metropolis. The aerial view offers a plan of the city, showing its vast cityscape. Tourism in Mexico City has grown steadily over the years, attracting visitors from all over the world. The city boasts a plethora of attractions to suit all tastes. From historic sites like the famous Templo Mayor and the majestic Cathedral to contemporary art galleries like the Frida Kahlo Museum and the Sumaya Museum, there is something for everyone to explore. When planning a visit to Mexico City, it is advisable to research and plan your trip in advance to get the most out of your trip. It is recommended to visit when weather conditions are favorable, as some attractions can be affected by seasonal changes. It is also important to consider transportation options within the city, as traffic can sometimes be heavy. Overall, Mexico City offers an unforgettable travel experience due to its rich history, stunning scenery, cultural attractions, and warm hospitality. Whether you want to explore ancient ruins or enjoy culinary delights, this vibrant city has something for everyone looking for an exciting travel experience.